Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Klaviyo segmentation for US shopping behaviors, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Klaviyo segmentation for US shopping behaviors, start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Lists and Segments tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Create List/Segment button at the top right corner. Select Segment from the drop-down menu. Name your segment to clearly define its purpose, such as US shoppers. In the Segment Criteria section, choose what someone has done. Set the condition to at least once to target customers who have made at least one purchase. Next, add a condition to filter based on the location. Choose Country from the drop-down menu. Set it to as in type United States to target US shoppers specifically. To refine your audience further, consider adding additional behaviors. Click on and to add more criteria based on shopping behaviors like total revenue or items purchased. Use these metrics to define high-value customers more precisely. For example, you might want to select individuals who have spent over a specific threshold. Review the criteria to ensure everything aligns with your goals. Once you've finished setting criteria, click on the Create Segment button. Klaviyo will process your segment and display it in the Lists and Segments overview. Click on the segment name to review the details and ensure accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to the criteria as you analyze the segment performance. Consider setting up automated flows based on this segment for targeted campaigns. Monitor your segment regularly for changes in customer behavior. Use insights from your segmentation to refine your marketing strategies effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.